today it is all about moms, myself included. Moms, consider this a public service announcement from Van Wilgen's Garden Center. Yes, us moms do love our macaroni necklaces and our lavender socks, but why stop there? You guys could create a tropical oasis in the backyard for the mom that you love so much. We have gorgeous majesty palms and yellow mandevillas and tropical hibiscus. All of these plants will make mom feel like she's on a vacation, and what mom doesn't need a vacation? Let her sit out on the back deck with these tropicals and bring her a wonderful cold drink, and that will really be a wonderful start for Mother's Day for the mother you love. But we're not going to stop there. What mom doesn't love a little bit of color in her life? Yes, we do love a cut bouquet of flowers, but guys, those only last about a week on the table, so why not break out a little bit and get her a homemade basket of annual flowers? These will bloom for her all season long, so every time she walks out on the porch, she'll just get to see gorgeous color. Or this endless summer hydrangea. This variety, planted in the ground, will bloom from spring to fall with these beautiful pom-pom heads. They are so gorgeous. And then, of course, the classic orchid behind me. We could get 4 months of bloom out of those. That would be wonderful for mom every time she comes and walks inside the house and sees that plant blooming over and over. But don't just go small. Think a little bit bigger, because moms love trees too. This happens to be one of my favorite small space trees. This is a redbud, and I love it so much that I have it in my yard. It's got this gorgeous magenta flower in the spring, and then guess what? The leaves turn into this really pretty kind of heart shape. Nothing says love more than a heart-shaped leaf for mom. For many moms, gardening is all about tradition. I learned from my grandmother, and I also love sharing gardening with my daughter. Nothing makes a better gift than a whole basket of different veggies. And there are some really unique veggies. We don't have to stick with traditional tomatoes. There are gorgeous rainbow Swiss chard, which I actually just planted at home with my daughter. Then we've got shallots, potatoes, rainbow carrots, and of course, really delicious and very trendy kale. But also, you could walk right out to your patio and plant one of these gorgeous blueberry bushes right into a pot, and you could enjoy picking a basket for mom while she relaxes on this special day. Don't forget, moms really do like to relax. I know we love to garden, but at the end of a hard gardening day, what wouldn't be better than making mom a fresh drink with her own citrus plant? We have these lime trees that are perfect for mom, mixing it with beautiful mojito mint to make that perfect drink for mom. Some of us moms just want something that's a little bit more unique, and we have these really cool little trees. Everything from an olive tree. That is so neat. I don't even know if people thought that they could get an olive tree and grow them here, but we have little olive trees. This is a tropical shrimp plant, which I have actually never seen before, and now I want it for Mother's Day. And this is a gorgeous lavender tree, but the thing that's really unique about this one is that it's an annual lavender, so this will keep blooming all season long, so she'll have this gorgeous color to look at, and then she could possibly even dry the lavender and have that lavender fragrance forever. Then, really neat, I bet you never thought that you could make basil into a tree, but there's this really cool basil tree back there. So these are some really unique gifts, thinking outside of the box with these little trees. I know that I would love them. Dads and kids, for those of you who don't know this, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Moms love succulents. These make amazing indoor plants, and the reason is because they are so low maintenance. We don't really have to take care of them that much. They need very little water and very little care. Look at this gorgeous succulent bowl all made up. This would be so pretty on my table. This would be a great gift for any mom. And then this is a really unique plant that is also really low maintenance. This is Earth Star Cryptanthus, which is just really cool and unique, but needs very little care. I did need to mention this fern though, because this fern is called the heart fern. Also a great way to show love to mom. It's got heart-shaped leaves. And you know what's really neat is you could come in and you could put all these little houseplants together and create a really unique, low maintenance gift, especially with these succulents for mom. We've got one more gift to show you. This is the last part of our public service announcement for moms. When you can't think of anything else and you're just short on time, geraniums. Nothing Nothing says Mother's Day like a geranium. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.